channel. So today we're going to be making Lebanese rice pudding, so let's begin. So I have here a cup of rice. I'm going to add 2 cups of water and then bring this to the boil. So the rice is now ready. I'm going to now make the milk mixture. So I have here some cold milk. This is a litre. So I'm going to add half a cup of corn starch. I'm going to just mix this to prevent any lumps. So once this is nicely mixed in, I'm going to add this to our rice. So now we're going to add this to the rice. So we're now going to pour in the milk. I'm going to raise the heat. Give this a bit of a mix. So I'm going to add half a cup of sugar, a teaspoon of rose water, a teaspoon of vanilla extract, now we're going to give it a good mix until this starts to thicken. So it's starting to thicken now. So we're just going to carry on mixing so it doesn't stick. Looks just right, so we're going to now move it off the heat and we're going to allow this to cool before we plate this up and pop it in the fridge. So I've put these on a serving bowl and I'm going to add some mixed chopped nuts. So I hope you enjoyed our Lebanese rice pudding. Hope you guys give it a try. Don't forget to subscribe and give us a thumbs up. Thanks guys for watching.